AI factories are growing in size. The amount of interdependent systems that has to work together to deliver performance is just immense. The NVIDIA Omniverse DSX Blueprint, it creates a digital framework for designing AI factories. Vertiv OneCore Rubin DSX, it's the outcome from the Omniverse DSX Blueprint and that virtual environment. That is a converged physical infrastructure. It is power, thermal, controls, the interfaces, and services all interdependently designed together as one single system. If we start with repeatable building blocks, it is about standard configurable products that have full BOM control and engineered as products. Number two, define interfaces. Between all of the different products and components, you have the seams. So standardizing and industrializing those seams and those interfaces is very critical in order to obtain the performance required for this AI factory. Number three, system orchestration. This is all about all of the products and components acting, behaving as one interdependent system. Number four, digital continuity. This is why it's being developed in a virtual environment so that it's not just designed once, but it continues to live on when you get to day one and day two in operations. Number five, lifecycle assurance. This is where full solution operates to the performance specifications that we set out for it.